Welcome to Cricknuts, cricket recaps and insights.
Welcome to the New Jersey hub, where underdogs rose like phoenixes. Today's tale unfolds with the Das Dominators and Dream Cricket Drona Elites, young gladiators clashing in a saga of grit and guile.
The stage was set for a youthful tussle of determination and skill. Under bright skies, these under-15 prodigies embarked on a cricketing quest that promised to etch their efforts in memory.
A low-scoring thriller took our breath away, with bowlers from both sides conjuring spells. Extras played their part, but it was the will to survive that set the Dominators apart in this scrappy affair.
Indeed, amidst a barrage of wides and no-balls, the tale twisted. The Drona Elites showed poise with the ball, but their bats crumbled. It was a battle where every run was a chapter in itself.
The Dominators' innings was a patchwork of perseverance, with Kulkarni and Pandya stitching a gritty alliance amid ruins. Rohan Dev's 4-wicket haul was a masterclass in accuracy, a bowling bravado that limited Dominators to a mere 77.
Strategy met fortitude as the Drona Elites choked runs with tight overs and maiden spells. The extras, however, swelled like a monsoon river, giving the Dominators' scorecard a deceptive respectability.
The Drona Elites' chase was a tale of a castle built on sand that crumbled under the relentless waves of Narayanan's 4-wicket siege. Patel's trio of wickets was the final nail, as the Elites were skittled for 47.
A relentless attack by the Dominators, Narayanan leading the charge, turned the pitch into a chessboard. With each move, the Elites lost pieces, unable to muster a defense against the disciplined bowling ensemble.
Rohan Dev with a stingy spell, Narayanan with a 4-wicket thunderbolt, and Kulkarni with key all-round contributions were the architects of today's drama. They shone as beacons in a match that was a bowler's delight.
Their names will echo in the corridors of this hub, as their performances weave the outcome of this match. Dev's precision, Narayanan's guile, and Kulkarni's all-round valor changed the course of this game, flipping the script of the underdogs.
The Dominators clinched the victory by 30 runs, a testament to their unwavering spirit and tactical smarts. The Drona Elites' chase was thwarted by clinical bowling and a steadfast defense of a modest total.
A gripping victory indeed for the Dominators, with sharp bowling overshadowing the batting frailties. This win etches their resilience into the annals of this U15 competition and leaves the Elites to ponder what might have been. Underdog uprising indeed, as the Dominators' gritty gambit paid off. A low-scoring duel that was less about the runs, more about the rumble, a testament to the beauty of a contest where every ball narrated its own subplot.
In the theatre of dreams that is youth cricket, our Dominators etched a fairy tale, showing that even the smallest total can be a fortress. This match was not just a game, it was a lesson in the courage of conviction for the contests to come.